This is an overview of the Excel add-in for standard time named XLST. XLST allows you to pull in timesheet data from standard time and put it into a spreadsheet of your design using formulas. And you might do that for executive overviews, special reports, financial spreadsheets, payroll, anytime you need timesheet data in formulas in a spreadsheet. So you will have access to the actual work, costs, expenses, time off, projects, all sorts of other information from standard time. So let's go ahead and take a look at how it works. Over here in Excel, you see a spreadsheet that has a lot of numbers and a lot of sheets at the bottom. This is a test spreadsheet for the standard time add-in called XLST. You can tell you have XLST installed when you see a menu item here, and you can go over, click on the standard time icon, and then connect to the standard time database. And when you do, you're able to then use formulas to pull data in from standard time. So back in standard time, you have the timesheet, all of the entries that employees have made, project tasks, expenses, invoices, time off that employees have taken. You're able to pull all of that information over into Excel, into cells. And again, you're using formulas to do that. So all of these shaded cells that you see here in all of these tabs in the other sheets are using formulas. And so when I click on one of these, you can see one of these formulas, XLST, actual work, and then there's some parameters for that. When you click the function icon here, it will come up and show you the parameters that you can enter for this function. So this is again the XLST actual work. There's many functions, as you'll see later. A little description down here, and then as we scroll through the list, you can see all of the parameters that this function takes. Many of those are optional, and this particular function will pull in actual work from the timesheet. So you can go through each of these tabs, these sheets, and you'll see all the different functions that XLST offers. You can see actual work here, scheduled hours, exceeding daily schedule. You've got salary costs, client costs, expenses, there's time off, project tasks, pay period, approvals, rates, projects, lots of information that you're going to see in this. And again, each one of these is going to take parameters. So let's take a look at how to enter a new formula in an empty cell. You can simply click in any empty cell, click the function icon. You can then choose from the category of the type of formula you want to put in. You're probably used to doing this. You'll see XLST show up here at the bottom, and then you'll see lots of functions that you can choose from. And the one we were looking at was XLST actual work. So let's go ahead and choose that. Click OK. We have to give it an employee, so you can click a cell here to choose that. And then the starting date would be the beginning of the date range. The ending date would be the end of the date range. I happen to be using just days here. And then you see the result instantly in this dialog box, which is 6.91, and that lines up with what we saw over here in this cell. Click OK. And so now you have the same value down here in an empty cell that we saw in one of the test cells here. So this is how you're able to enter a new formula into an empty cell. Again, you can pull in just about any data that you see over in the standard time timesheet, tasks, the time log, time off, like for vacation, PTO, invoicing, expenses. Anything that you see here that you might also get in the reporting in standard time is available in Excel. And that is when you know that the best tool to use would be Excel for those administrative spreadsheets, executive, managers, making sure that projects are on task, employees are entering their time into the correct projects. Maybe you need client billing or costing values, project management. All of that is available to pull over from the standard time database. So very nice little add-in for Excel. So go ahead and download it. When you do, you will get this little test spreadsheet. You can look through all the formulas that we have in these shaded cells and get an idea how it works. So really nice tool. Go ahead and download, and hope you like it.